Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had initiated the Jal Jeevan mission at Mawsde in MAWKYRWAT, which he said is a blessing to the villages of Meghalaya. Mawsde village, a hamlet in MAWKYRWAT, is situated in the southwest KHASI Hills district of Meghalaya, where the main source of income is agriculture. Some of the concerns that the state government needs to dwell upon are education, drinking water, road conditions, and electricity. This is the reason why the area is yet to experience industrial development. CONRAD SANGMA informed that residents of the village would have to travel a long way through a hilly terrain in order to fetch drinking water. Through JJM, the entire village is able to avail drinking water at their doorstep. The Chief Minister added that Mawsde is one amongst 25 villages in the district where Jal Jeevan mission has achieved 100% completion, and the state government is determined to cover all the targeted villages under the JJM scheme by December 2022. As part of his visit to MAWKYRWAT village, the Chief Minister also inaugurated the 53 meters footbridge over Shillong River at Jashar village that had been constructed under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, or MGNREGS, and collectively taken up by 3 village employment councils or VECs of Nongba, Shillong and Jashar. The footbridge had been completed within a record time of 3 months. Speaking at the function, CONRAD SANGMA informed that compared to bigger states like Assam, Meghalaya had received an allocation of over Rs 1,600 crores budget and has earned the reputation of being one of the top performing states with regards to the implementation of the MGNREGS scheme.
If there's a state like Assam, which is almost 10 times as big as us, 10 times, their NREGS budget is about 2,000 crores. Whereas we are 1/10 in population. That means Assam has about 3 crore population, we have about 30 lakh population. In spite of the population difference, Assam has a budget of about 2,000 crores and Meghalaya has a budget of 1,600 crores. It just shows how much our people have been working in order to get maximum benefit from the MGNREGA. The maximum amount, we are one of the highest spenders, and the per capita spending, per capita, is almost close to 17,000 rupees in wage component that every person is getting because of the 16,000 crore budget that we have been able to utilize in our state of Meghalaya. So it's a great achievement, and I must congratulate all the VECs, the BDOs, the Deputy Commissioners, and of course our Principal Secretary, who has been the driving force to make this project successful.